Unveiling the phrase, in the trenches. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that paints a vivid picture with just a few words, in the trenches. This expression is rich in history and meaning, and understanding it can add depth to your English conversations. Let's explore what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in everyday communication. In the trenches originally comes from a military context. During World War I, soldiers fought for months on end in trenches, which were long, narrow ditches dug into the ground where they lived, fought, and often died. These trenches were the front lines of the battle, where the fighting was most intense and the conditions were the harshest. The phrase has since evolved to mean working or enduring under difficult or demanding conditions, especially in a job or situation that requires persistent effort and dedication. It conveys a sense of solidarity and hard work among those facing challenges together. Today, in the trenches, is used metaphorically to describe anyone who is working hard in the front lines of their field, facing challenges head-on. It's not just for soldiers anymore. Here are a few examples. In business, someone might say they're in the trenches when they're working long hours to meet a tight deadline or dealing with challenging clients directly. In healthcare, doctors and nurses working long shifts, especially during crises like a pandemic, are described as being in the trenches. In education, teachers working closely with students to improve their learning outcomes, often under challenging conditions, are also seen as being in the trenches. This phrase underscores the commitment, resilience, and hard work required in these situations. Using in the trenches in your conversations can help convey respect and empathy for hard work and dedication. Here's how to integrate it. To show solidarity, I know we're all in the trenches right now, but our hard work will pay off. To acknowledge someone's efforts, they've been in the trenches every day to make this project a success. To reflect on challenging experiences, looking back, our time in the trenches taught us valuable lessons. Remember, the power of this phrase lies in its ability to connect experiences and highlight resilience in the face of adversity. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, in the trenches. It's a testament to human resilience, teamwork, and the spirit of perseverance. Whether you're facing your own trenches in life or you hear others using this phrase, you now know the depth and breadth of its meaning. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope this video has enriched your understanding of this powerful expression. Stay tuned for more insights into the English language, and keep striving, in and out of your own trenches.